Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Leica mobile SIM card in France. First, take your SIM card out of the package and insert it into your phone's SIM tray. Use the SIM tool to pop it out, insert the card and slide it back in. Next, restart your phone. In most cases, your SIM will automatically activate and you'll receive a text message with your new number and plan details. To check if it's active, dial #132#. If you want to activate a bundle, call 139 and enter your plan code. For example, 51003 for a national plan. If it doesn't activate automatically, go to the Leica Mobile France website or app to complete the registration. And that's it. Your SIM is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.